the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 30. Simplify to clarify. Life becomes simpler if we learn to live with what we see and are able to exist in a state of flow rather than swim against the daily tide of informative uncertainty. To be successful, we need to not just see what is happening, but to understand why. The visible is already clear. The invisible cannot be ignored. Examine more closely your needs and the needs of those around you. Business builds bridges. Great organizations spread efficiency through culture and communities. Goal setters get further. Productivity requires incentive. Economics cannot be ignored. The pursuit of profit is foundational to life. Working is the exploration of reality and finding your place. You can't fit in and stand out at the same time. Find the most effective way to grind. Secure the moment. Insecurity stifles your creativity. Success requires solutions that give you the ability to measure your value to society. Mental maps help you to chart your journey. Movement matters. A quality life encompasses both direction and discernment. Brilliance is the ultimate competence. Betterment leads to refinement. How you think changes what you feel. It affects what you look for. The answers are not under rocks. They are already somewhere within you. Life is a struggle when you are suffering. But don't ignore the obvious. Principles. 1. Belief determines your abilities. 2. Information is influence. 3. Choice is still manipulation. 4. Some effect is inevitable. 5. Dreams are on the other side of your fears. Profit is the benefit of labor. It is not always financial. You can always make more money, but it's hard to make more time. But it can be done. It is just that it takes time to make time. Little that is built without some blood being spilt. We negate the influence of negativity when we encourage freedom. A free market replaces force with the serving of voluntary needs. Service is values on display. Real richness is in the ability to explore reality. Supply is the only problem, and demand is the only unique solution. Provide a solution to this problem, then life rewards you by giving you the ability to afford. At the end of the day, your life is a playbook of generation and consumption. It is a daily cycle of awareness and activity. Your work should bind you to positive processes. Internal struggles break down both the individual and the organization. To fight with yourself slows you down. Society too often seeds division through force and extracting willingness from life's equation. Normal is simply whatever you convince yourself is normal. The real economy usually remains unseen. This is motivation and mindset for leadership. If you are interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.